So today we will be learning an algebraic method of solving a system of linear equations when there is more than one equation and each equation has more than one variable in it. In this first case, we will be looking at what we call a 2 by 2 system of equation, in which it has two variables, x and y, which are unknown, and it has two different equations, 3x plus 2y equals 1 and x minus y equals 3. So there are four main elementary ways of doing this, solving any system of linear equations. Those four methods are substitution, elimination, Gaussian elimination, and Gauss-Jordan elimination. For today, we will be learning about the first method known as substitution. So for this, we have to find a way to isolate one variable and then plug it in for itself into the other equation, and doing this a couple times until we find both variables. So the first thing we're going to do is take the second equation, and which is x minus y equals 3. We can add y to both sides, which will make x be by itself, and you will get x is equal to y plus 3. We can now substitute that in for the first equation and get 3 times y plus 3, which is x, because 3 times x is the same as saying 3 times y plus 3, plus 2y, all equal to 1, as you can see. So now if we simply distribute, we would get 3y plus 9 plus 2y equals 1. If you add like terms, you get 5y plus 9 equals 1. Since you can subtract 9 from both sides, we were going to get 5y equals negative 8. So finally, if you divide both sides by 5, you get y is equal to a negative 8/5. So we've just solved for y. We can now write that up here. So we know these two equations with the assumption that y is equal to negative 8/5. Now, from that, what we can do is plug that into either equation to get our x. So what I'm going to do is take the simplest one, which is x minus y equals 3, with the assumption that y equals negative 8/5. All we have to do now is substitute that in for y. So we get an x minus a negative 8/5 equals 3. So x plus 8/5 equals 3. X equals 15/5 minus 8/5. So x is equal to 7/5. And y is equal to negative 8/5. And you have just solved x and y. In my next few videos, I'll be showing you other